All right, let's get right into it. I'm going to give you five, and I mean genius ways to make a fortune with AI. And I'm not just talking theory. Today, I'm breaking down the exact playbooks you can use to start making serious money, like right now. And yeah, that number, $1 million. That's real. This isn't some pie in the sky, someday maybe kind of thing. People are actually pulling in seven figures with these exact strategies as we speak. It's happening. Because here's the game-changing truth. You got to get this. You don't need to be a technical genius anymore. Seriously. The old barrier to entry, the one that kept most people out of building $1 million business, AI has completely obliterated it. It's gone. Okay, let's dive into the first strategy. Coming in at number 5, we've got the personalized GPT ecosystem. Now think about this. Every single business owner I know is scrambling to figure out AI. They're totally overwhelmed. And guess what? They will pay top dollar for someone like you to come in and build a custom system for them. They're desperate for a guide. So how do you actually do this? Well, it's a super simple four-part process. First step, intake. You got to get all their context. We're talking workflows, their brand voice, their biggest goals, and you do that with a really detailed intake form. Step 2, build. You take all that juicy info and you build their custom system. This means master prompts, custom GPTs, the whole shebang. Third, you get AI itself to write a clear, simple playbook, an SOP on how to use everything. And finally, number 4, you get right into their ChatGPT account and install everything, so it's clean, organized, and totally turnkey for them. Now here's the pro tip, the part I love about this model: recurring revenue. AI changes so fast, right? Major updates are dropping like every couple of months. So you charge them a monthly subscription, a maintenance fee to keep their system tweaked, optimized, and up to date. It's an incredibly easy sell and a beautiful, scalable business model. All right, moving on to number 4, the content multiplier. Listen up, because this one is a massive, totally untapped opportunity. You find businesses that are already creating long-form content, think podcasts, YouTube videos, and you get paid to slice and dice it into little lead-generating machines for TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, you name it. So here's the playbook for that. First, you use AI to hunt for companies with amazing long-form content, but their short-form game is, well, it's weak. They're your perfect client. Next, you take their best performing stuff, you transcribe it, and you let AI pinpoint the most impactful, punchy moments. And finally, you repurpose those highlights into viral clips, engaging carousels, killer tweets. You're basically turning one single asset into an entire powerful social media presence for them. And I'll give you a secret weapon I use for this. You ask the AI to package every single piece of content using what I call the PSL framework. It stands for Point, Story, Lesson. You make one clear point, you tell a quick, relatable story to illustrate it, and then you pull out the key lesson. I'm telling you, content built this way just absolutely crushes it online. Coming in hot at number 3, the AI-powered website studio. Forget everything you know about coding. This is about building beautiful, pixel-perfect websites almost like magic, all using AI. And just look at the difference here. It's insane. The old way? We're talking months of coding, a huge budget, you needed to be a tech wizard. The new way? Man, with tools like Lovable or Framer, you can spin up a world-class website in just a few hours with zero coding skill. I'm not kidding. I have 18-year-old interns on my team building landing pages that look absolutely incredible every single time. So the key here, the really crucial part, is that you can automate the entire workflow. Think about it. Use AI to generate an intake form. Plug that data right into a website generator. Make a few small, polish-level tweaks. Then, and this is the best part, you can send the client a feedback form that automatically updates the site based on their notes. I personally know people making $10 million a year with this exact model. This is the future. Okay, let's talk about number 2, the AI Workshop Builder. This is where you finally stop trading your time for money and start getting paid for what you already know. You can package up your expertise into a workshop, but here's the kicker. AI can build the whole thing for you. We're talking scripts, slides, the works. Now, I know what stops most people here. It's that voice in your head, right? Imposter syndrome. You think, I'm not an expert. But here's the deal, and I really want you to hear this. You just need to be a few steps ahead of someone else. If you've achieved any result in your life, you are an expert to the person who wants that same result. You don't have to be the sage on the stage. You just need to be the guide on the side. And trust me, building this thing is way easier than you think. It's a dead